What's up, everybody? My name is Shinichi,
I'm Satoshi.
and you are watching TabiEats recipes. Today, I'm gonna show you guys something probably like I can't even call it cooking because it is so easy to make. It is so easy to make, but this is something that I used to eat before I started doing YouTube. I used to make it at home when you went to work. You know, I was lazy, it was too hot to do any cooking, and I always had cabbage lying around the house. And so I'm
Because I love cabbage.
so do I. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a very simple side dish using cabbage. I don't really know what to call it, but I guess I call it a 1-minute cabbage pickle. How's that?
1 minute cabbage people.
1-minute cabbage pickle. Let's get started.
Shinichi-san, what is the first ingredient?
Well, we only have 2 ingredients today. That's
Just
it.
two.
Just 2 ingredients. So, first ingredient is cabbage.
Cabbage?
Yeah, and we're gonna make a very small serving today. So, we're just using like a small wedge of salad. Make sure you wash it and dry it. And then we have a package of Shio Konbu, which is salted kombu seaweed. And as you can see in this picture, they use this Shio Konbu to make a simple side dish with cucumbers and ume. But mine is even simpler than that. So it is so easy. First step is to open the package of Shio Konbu. You can buy this at any Japanese supermarket. If you can't find it, we have a link below this video where you can check out our Amazon store. We have this there for you. And this lasts a long time. It's not perishable. And you can use it for a lot of different things as well. So here we go. Ready? Here we go. So we're gonna cut the cabbage. Once again, you don't even need a knife, to be honest with you. You can even tear it with your hands, but I'm using my knife like that. And that's it really. That's it really.
That's it, really.
Yeah, and then
Really?
and then we're gonna put this into this bowl, like so. I think this is enough for like 2 people, really, or you know, 1 if you're gonna eat it like a salad. Because you know, although I call it a 1-minute pickle, it's kind of like a salad. Yeah, it's so easy. It's so easy, but it's so delicious. Trust me. So here we go. So. This is about maybe a little more than a cup of cabbage, and to that I'm just gonna add a little bit of the kombu, the shio kombu. This is what it looks like, by the way. Totally forgot to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, it's salted kombu seaweed. Yeah, it's pretty salty on its own, you know, but it's good. It's so full of umami. And then I'm gonna add, you can add as much as you want. I add about that much to this much cabbage. And if you want it saltier, you can certainly add more. If you don't like it as salty, you can add less. It's really up to you. And basically, I'm gonna get down with my hands. I'm just gonna crush it. I'm just like, sort of like crushing the cabbage with my hands. I hope you could see that. I'm basically just grabbing it like that and crushing it with my hands. And you see how the salt in the kombu is making moisture, water come out from the cabbage. And I'm trying to infuse or season the cabbage pieces with this kombu. And I know it's hard to see because right now, you know, my whole hand is covering the whole bowl. But you see how like the cabbage is all wilted right now? So we're just gonna keep this to the side for about 1 minute. 1 minute. And that's all you need, really. Okay? And then, just to let you know, if you keep this like maybe a couple of hours in the refrigerator, it'll actually taste better. But say if you're in a hurry like I usually am, this is totally fine. Like you can already, you know, dig into this just like this. So obviously it's so simple. So I'm gonna show you guys what I used to eat all the time. It's a very, very simple meal using this as a side dish.
Before cooking this cabbage and kombu stuff, wash your hand very well.
Yes, yes, that's very, very important. Very
Wash.
important. Very
I've
important.
never Romi Romi. What should I say?
No, you never massaged it?
I never massage with my hand. I always use plastic bag.
Yes, you do. But I can't be bothered. I don't like doing that. So I just use my hand. You know, I can simply wash my hand. I mean, no big deal. And look, it tastes the same. It tastes the same. Yeah, better for the environment too, right? Here, try it. This is just 1 minute. You know, like I said, it's a 1 minute cabbage pickle. What do you think?
It's good. I love
Right?
this kombu dashi flavor.
It's perfectly seasoned. Okay, so we're gonna make a bowl of soup. Actually, I'm gonna ask you to make me a bowl of miso soup.
Oh,
Really easy.
oh, my turn.
And then we have a main dish, and we're gonna show you how to make a complete meal. For miso soup, you can add any kind of ingredients you want. Today, Satoshi's just going to be making with what we have in our cupboard, which is wakame seaweed, which is we always have a bag of that because it's supposed to be really good for the hair and skin as well.
The ingredients is just this wakame, dried wakame, wakame seaweed.
Right, once again, you can get this at any Japanese supermarket, and these last a long time because they are dried.
Put this dried wakame seaweed into water to rehydrate.
Yeah.
And leave about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Yes. So you can already see that the seaweed's starting to open up. Yeah. So after about 10 minutes, you're going to see that these are going to be soft and very, very delicious. So that has a nice texture.
Just one ingredient miso soup is too sad. So
I agree.
I'm gonna add one more thing. Green onion. Scallions. I have one stalk of green onion. It's enough for one bowl of miso soup.
Yeah, I think this is enough for like 4 bowls of miso soup, really.
So
But we like green onions. We really do. So we put a lot.
Shinji's mother love. Oh
Oh my god, my mother. Yeah, green onions for her is life. Yeah, she loves green onions.
Cut.
So just chop it up like this.
Like this. That's it.
Justin, no. Green onions are not good for you. No. You already had dinner. Now we're going to show you how to make miso soup. Once again, this is a very easy way. We're not going to be making homemade dashi from scratch. No, we're not going to do that. We have done that in the past. That video can be seen in our TabiEats channel if you want to check it out. But most people here in Japan, they use instant dashi. Which comes in a powder form. Once again, you can find this at your Japanese store or in our Amazon shop.
So, okay, let's make miso soup. Pour 1 cup of water into the pot and boil it.
Turn on the heat.
Turn on the heat. Why it is? Why?
Oh,
it doesn't work?
because it's not plugged in.
Shinichi, why you didn't plug in?
I didn't say I plugged it in. You didn't wait for me.
Please do it. Now, turn on the heat and wait until water boils.
We're waiting for the water to boil. Check it out. Look, it's only been about 3-4 minutes, and look how beautiful the seaweed looks. I mean, this is enough for at least 2 bowls. That's a lot of wakame seaweed. And there are so many uses for wakame seaweed. For example, you can make a seaweed salad. It's delicious. You can make a vinegared seaweed side dish with cucumbers, this wakame seaweed, and a little bit of carrots. What else can you make with wakame?
So, I always add on udon or soba noodles.
Udon, that's right. Udon or soba noodles as a topping. Yes, that's perfect. Yes.
Okay, water is boiling, so reduce the heat to low heat, and add dashi powder, instant dashi powder. Okay.
So once again, this is the instant dashi powder that every Japanese household has. Household. What did I just say? You okay?
Of course, the making dashi stock from the scratch is better.
Of course. But it's
But
time consuming.
Time consuming.
Yes, I mean, if you have like a full-time job and you just come home from work, you really don't have time to be making dashi from scratch.
Okay, and add the miso into this pot. I'm using 1 tablespoon of miso.
1 tablespoon. Okay. Fine.
So, if you use any other ingredients like daikon or burdock or something like that, please boil before you put miso into
Right.
this pot.
Because they're harder, right? They take a longer time to cook. Right, but today we're just using the wakame seaweed, and they really don't need to be cooked. They can be eaten as is, to be honest with you. So we're dissolving the miso into the hot water right now.
And don't boil after you put miso,
Yes. And why is that, Satoshi?
because the taste become a little bit bad.
Right, actually the aroma, it affects the aroma as well. Yeah, so you never want to boil this thing here after you add the miso. Never bring it to a boil. That's a little key point there for you guys.
But you can heat just before boiling point. Like this.
Yeah, which we are doing right now. And this is important because
Okay.
you do want your soup to be hot.
Okay, yeah. It is doing the buku-buku.
Right? It's just about to start boiling. This is when you want to turn it off, right?
Yeah. Add wakame seaweed.
Wakame seaweed. Of course, you guys can add tofu. Tofu is another popular ingredient. I personally like to add potatoes.
Potato,
In my-
potato
yes.
is also good.
Potatoes are very good.
So, if you leave this soup as it is a longer time, the wakame seaweed color will be changed into brown. So if you want the green color, please drink soon.
Actually, I think that's a great idea for a video. You know, a video that we introduce our personal favorite ingredients for a miso soup. Like I can show you guys 2 or 3 of mine, and Satoshi can show you guys 2 or 3 of his. What do you guys think? What do you think?
I love miso soup. I love miso soup. I can make many.
Right. So let us know in the comments down below if that's something you guys might like to see.
Okay, miso soup is done. Let's pour into small bowl.
Okay. All right, let's do it.
Okay.
I just realized that my portion of the video was quite short. I mean, my recipe today, the cabbage 1-minute pickles, were so easy that this kind of turned into like how to make miso soup as well.
Okay. Is it enough?
Yeah, I think it's enough.
Okay.
And they're gonna add some green onions.
Yes. Drizzle green
Drizzle.
onion.
Yep.
Beautiful.
There we have it. This is our main dish. This is the instant ramen katsu that Satoshi made previously. If you're interested in learning how to make this, check that out. And this is where our miso soup goes. So here's a bowl of rice. And then what goes in here? Well, of course, this is what this video was supposed to be all about. Of course, you can, this will serve 2 people, but me, I just eat the whole thing by myself. I eat it like a salad. Look at that, it's perfect for this bowl. That small wedge of cabbage, it took just 1 minute to make. Look how beautiful that looks. And there you have it, guys. This is your typical Japanese meal, complete meal, with the 1-minute cabbage. So I already know what it tastes like. Have a taste test, Satoshi.
いただきます.
I know Satoshi's kind of shocked, like it's like, what? You made something that only took a minute. It's good,
nice.
right? Right? So like, 10 minutes has passed. So the taste should be a little bit more full of umami.
It's go all around the cabbage.
Yes, all around and inside as well. Yeah, look at that.
I love this cabbage.
Yeah, see, my thinking is why make something difficult if we can make it easy? That's my thinking. I learned that all from my mommy. It's good, right?
1 minute cooking.
1 minute cooking,
Shorter than
exactly.
TV.
Shorter than a television show, for sure. As always, thank you so much for watching. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's very easy but delicious recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. If this is your first time or if you didn't know we had a TabiEats recipe channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell icon. That's very important. We will be making 2 cooking videos every week. Most of them are going to be easy, sometimes crazy, because he likes to think up of all these crazy concoctions, which is always entertaining actually for me, and I always enjoy eating them as well. Like the tonkatsu, the tonkatsu made with not pork but instant ramen. You definitely got to try that out because that's crazy, but it's actually pretty good.
Hope you will cook this recipe.
Yeah, give it a try.
Thank you for watching. See you on next cooking video. Bye.
Bye.